Hello you guys, today I will be doing a video and showing you how I created this Dutch pour. Okay, in the end I will be giving you the details of what all I did, so stay tuned for those details. Okay, so I wanted to experiment, and if this works I'll let you know everything that I did and what I used. I will have all the ingredients listed in the description below the video. So I've already painted my base. Just gonna put this, let's see, here, here. That's not exactly where I wanted it. No. Okay. Okay, and so I'm just going to do a Dutch pour. Something was in that paint. Haven't used that copper in a while. And so I will have to use some white. Along the edges so that the paint can flow. So I put some white over there. But before I do that, let's see. Okay, so I'm really liking the reaction. I'm really liking the results on that one. So, well, I'm going to bring you down for a close-up. But once this piece dries, I'm going to come back to show you to see whether it does what I really want it to do. And then we'll go from there. Okay, this is a close-up, you guys, on the wet results. I love it. I think it's stunning. Look at that gold popping through those sails. This part I really like. Tell me what you think. It's like that lacing almost reminds you of the ocean where it breaks up like that. I really love this too. You see that? Wow. Impressive. And so here, when I blow on it, it creates these little tiny lacing that's going on here. I love it. Tell me what you think. And once it dries, I'm going to come back and let you know exactly what I did. I want you to see the dried results so we'll see exactly what it turns out to look like. And then I'll let you know exactly what I did to create it. Okay, so in the beginning of the video, I did pour a clear or cloudy substance over the canvas, you know, in certain parts here and over here, in certain places. I did pour it on that canvas before I even got started putting the paint on the surface. So that cloudy substance that I put on the canvas was just Floetrol in water. And as you can see, it leaves the canvas so you can see the color on the canvas. It's just like a clear topping, you know, that allows it to have this color once it dries. And one other thing that I noticed that it does as well is where the Floetrol in water is, it creates this lacing here. As you can see, that lacing. So I blew here in this area and it created this lacing here. Okay, and I did add white paint, as you saw in the video, here and over to the sides here. And I blew here as well, where it created more smaller lacing, but it did create some lacing. And look at this. Look at this, you guys. See, I really like this. I like the way the canvas, the color on the base of the canvas is just showing there. And I did get this idea from a fellow YouTuber. His name is Paul. I'm not sure of how to pronounce his last name, so I will link his video in the description below my video so that you can go and check out his channel for yourself. And so it was just an idea that I got from him. I will be repeating this again, and I will be eventually doing it on a much larger canvas so that I could see, you know, how well this turns out. I think this one turned out very well. My sister seems to think this is the best Dutch pour I've done yet. So I am going to definitely try it again and try it on a much larger canvas so that I could see what all results that I get and what kind of reactions that I get, you know, to see if this is going to be a reaction, you know, all the time, or if it was just something that happened just that one time. But in order to find it out, I do have to do it again. So I will be doing it again. Tell me what you think, because I wanted to make sure that it was going to dry the way that it should dry. So that's why I waited until after the video to just let you know what I did. I will have the colors listed under the video as well, all the colors that I used. Tell me what you think of this video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscription button and do hit the bell so that you receive a notification when I upload a new video so that you can stay informed and you can see the most up-to-date video that I post. Until the next time, you guys, thanks for watching.